Careful, this batch has a lot of plastic. Got it, I'll use the magnet. Good, purity is key for the big pots. Right, this piece is clean now. Keep it up, we're almost done. All right, let's get this batch in. Ready, keep it steady. Good flow, that's the largest pots yet. Yeah, these monsters will hold a feast. Quality looks excellent. Let's get this pour started. Agreed, commencing pour now. Steady flow, no impurities. Mold is filling perfectly. This will be the largest pot yet. All right, let's get this slag off. Ready on 3. Ready. Good, keep it steady, watch for splashes. That's it, one more pass.
Handles for new largest aluminum cooking pots in factory are cast separately from aluminum scrap. Scrap is melted and poured into molds to form the handles. The handles are then removed and prepared for assembly.
Molds opening, revealing the new largest pots from scrap. And there they are. Semi-finished, ready for finishing. These are the largest pots we've cast from scrap. The surface is rough, check for cracks. Looks solid, just needs finishing. Good, let's move it to finishing. This heat test validates the pot's performance. Perfect. The largest pot holds up under extreme heat. Scraps prepped, riveting the first handle. Solid hold, onto the next. Final rivet, this pot's ready. This rim is almost perfect, just a bit more polishing.
Got it. I'm checking the handles now.
Looks solid, let's give it a final wipe.
Agreed, this is ready for shipping.
Batch 38 complete. These are the new largest pots from scrap. Impressive. Let's get the labels on. Labels applied. This is a big milestone. All right, visual inspection begins on these new largest pots from scrap. Surface looks good, no major flaws, a strong batch. Let's check the thickness on these new pots.
Okay, starting with the sidewall,
What's the reading?
4.99 millimeters. Perfectly uniform.
Excellent. Log it and move to the next batch. These pots are made from aluminum scrap. We're leak testing for durability. Filling it now. No leaks at the seams. Draining. The seal held perfectly. This is our new largest pot from scrap aluminum. Initiating the impact test now. A direct hit. The strength holds firm, ready for production. Let's check these new largest pots.
Interior looks smooth, no defects.
Agreed. The scrap processing really paid off. Handles are secure. Let's approve this batch. First pot, 48.25 kilograms. Second pot, 48.27 kilograms, within tolerance. These are the largest ones yet. Yeah, and heavy. Keep the rinse steady.
The scrap really shines up well. Almost done, let's get them dried. Stacking the new largest pots. Keep it steady.
Careful with the edges, they're heavy. Good. Next pallet.
This is the last one for this batch.
All right, these new largest pots from scrap. Let's get them organized. Easy now, align them on the top shelf. Perfect. Space them out for the next batch.